Exercise number 1, backpack stretch. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand tall and clasp your hands in front of your body as if reaching around a backpack. Round your upper back slightly and push your hands forward. Feel the stretch across your upper back and shoulders. Exercise number 2, Hatfield squat. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Set the safety bar across your shoulders and lightly hold the support handles. Lower into a squat while keeping your chest up and core tight. Push through your heels to return to standing. Exercise number 3, Smith hip thrust. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Position your upper back against a bench with the Smith bar over your hips. Drive through your heels to lift your hips upward. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower slowly. Exercise number 4, Smith shoulder press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit under the Smith machine with the bar at shoulder level. Press the bar overhead until your arms are fully extended. Lower slowly with control. Exercise number 5, wheel rollout. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Start on your knees holding the ab wheel beneath your shoulders. Roll forward slowly while keeping your core tight and back straight. Pull yourself back with control.